Hi, I'm Eileen Hull. Did you know that you can emboss matboard? What I've done is I have die cut a little needle book, and I want to show you what happens when you roll it through your machine and emboss it. So I have a folder called the Daisy Wreath, and what I'm going to do is just place I'm going to do one side so you can see the difference. So I'm just going to place this right on the edge in the folder and close it. Then I'm going to take my multi-purpose platform and I'm going to put that back so there are no tabs. Because this is thick material, you do not want to use any tabs when you roll this through. So I'm just going to put the platform in, put one cutting pad, put your other cutting pad, and I will say that this is going to give you a nice little muscle because it does take a little bit more energy to send it through. So once you roll it through, you have this beautiful, rich, embossed surface. What I like to do is to add a little ink, and that really brings out the highlights. So what I'm going to do is just take my Blends ink and just very lightly go over that, and you'll see how it pulls that color up and really shows off that embossing. And if you want, you can go a little darker around the edges, add some shading. Just a little more pressure, and there you go, this beautiful little needle book. I'll just bend that up and you're good to go. Add a couple pages and you have a cute little book.